Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I'm sharing a cute and unique idea of Father's Day gift. I'm sure if you make something like this and give it to your father, it will touch his heart. So let's begin. Starting by taking a Pringle box, you can also use bottle instead of it and cutting the required portion out of it. Now I'm making my homemade texture paste by mixing POP and glue. You can also use ready-made gesso and covering the surface of the box using this texture paste. It will give a nice base for the clay work. Using aluminium foil to make base for the sculpture and sticking it with the help of white glue. I'm using my homemade cold porcelain clay for this project and sprinkling some talcum powder so that clay do not stick to the surface and rolling thin sheet out of it and covering the aluminium foil. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. Again taking portions of clay to add more details. Using a tool to make hair-like texture. You can also use a pen or a needle instead of a tool. Adding an oval ball to make face of the girl and sculpting the face using a tool. Adding more clay to make hair. Adding more portions of clay to add details. And rolling a thick snake of clay to make hand holding heart. Now making a cute little heart and sticking with the help of white glue. Again taking a small portion of clay to make palms. Rolling some clay to make leg. Now making arms of the father. and finally adding a portion of clay to make feet, and this complete the sculpting portion. Now comes the coloring part. I'm using acrylic color for this project. So first painting the whole background using light yellow color. Using blue color for the shirt of the father. Using brown color for hair in dark and light shades respectively. Using flesh tint color for skin. Using pink color for the dress of the girl. After adding details to the face, finally painting the heart with metallic gold color. Our beautiful gift is almost ready. After adding some polka dots and pearl lace at the top, it is done. You can use it as a pen holder or a trimmer holder, or put your essentials inside it, or can put a bunch of flowers. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.